Here's a shocking move. Brazil and China may team up while Trump is facing massive setback in the United States backyard. I'm Dhruti, you're watching TimesXP, and the whole world is watching as Brazil makes a bold pivot towards China, sending clear signals about the shifting balance of global power. Their president, Luiz Inacio Lula da Silva, personally celebrated the grand inauguration of Chinese automaker BYD's huge electric and hybrid car factory in Bahia. This isn't just any factory that we are talking about, it's a $1.2 billion investment sent to produce thousands of electric vehicles every single year, create thousands of jobs, and put Brazil on the map as a major EV player in Latin America. In the meantime, the US, they are reeling. Ford Motors announced the closure of its plant in the same area, ending more than 20 years of operations in Brazil. The company cited financial losses, huge production costs, and a lot of competition from global players as well. But here, many analysts see it as a direct consequences of China's aggressive expansion in that particular region. Jobs, supply chains, and decades of United States influence in Brazil are now under threat. Lula made it very clear that Brazil is embracing China as a strategic partner, praising the growing trade ties, tech cooperation, and the leadership of Chinese President Mr. Xi Jinping. Now, this partnership is about the future. That's what Lula said. Experts note that Brazil is positioning itself as a bridge between the US and China. But in practice, it seems to be leaning heavily towards Chinese investment and developments technology as well. In the meantime, Chinese influence doesn't stop at cars here. BYD is a key player in battery technology, EV innovation, and renewable energy, which, by the way, means China's footprints in Brazil could extend far beyond the automobiles. Economists warn that this move could allow China to control critical parts of Brazil's industrial and technological landscape, be it EV production or clean energy projects. For Trump and in the entire US, this is a wake-up call. America's traditional influence in Latin America is weakening, and Chinese investment is rapidly filling the gap. Political analysts say that this could affect the future trade negotiations, military partnership, and even the United States' political leverage in that particular region. So the bottom line is very clear here, ladies and gentlemen. China is making the major move. Brazil is rolling out the red carpet, and the US is losing ground in a region that it once dominated. This is not just an economic story, it's a geopolitical chess game, and the world is watching every single move very closely.